This is x into x into x are total n terms. Then we know how to write this, x to the power n. Okay, say this is x into x, there are 2x, we write x square. When this is x into x into x 3 times, then we can write x to the power 3. So these all are algebraic expressions. Here x is unknown. Why it's unknown? If you say x equals 2, someone will say x equals 3 and many. So value of x should be anything, 2, 3, -1, -2, etc. So this is x is variable. X is called variable. Okay. When we write 2, 2 is a constant number. Okay. And if you say 5, x equal 5, 5 is a constant number, but x is not constant. The word is constant. Okay. And this word is x variable. Variable comes from variation, may be different. Constant means fixed. So 2 is fixed, this is constant. 3 is fixed, constant. But the value of x changeable. Any number can be possible for x. This is the introduction of variable and constant. Say I am writing an expression 2x plus 3y plus z, 3z. Anything can be written. So this is x, this is y, this is z. These all are algebraic expression. Okay, all are variables. So this is called a term, first term. This is a term, this is also a term. Clear? So when you write only 2x, then you can write 2x plus 3y. Then you can write 2x plus 3y plus 3z. How many terms here? 1. This is single 1. And 2x plus 3y, how many terms here? 2. This one and this one, and this is 1, 2, 3. How many terms? 3. Okay. So this sign may be plus, may be minus, but when you write 2x into 3y, can you say how many terms are there? Check one point. This is, you can write this 3 into 2, 6, and x and y you can multiply this. You can just write this. Now say this is one term. Term 1 or 2 or 3, it depends on what sign you have got. This is plus, this is plus, this is plus. Okay. But when this is multiple, then this is same. 1, only 1. Okay. When multiple, then this will be considered as one term. When this is minus, then this is 1, 2, 3. When this is related only multiple and division, then it should be 1. Okay. So check next point, then this will be more clear. When this is one term 3x minus 2, and you can write 4m etc. Okay. Also you can multiply a composite 5x y z etc. So this minus is related only with 2. There is no number with this. Okay. And next, by you can write 3 minus a. 3 minus a. You can write x plus y. 1, 2, 1, 2. Two terms mentioned herein. Okay. Like this, you can write x plus y plus z and so on. There are 1, 2, 3. Okay. And here you can write also a minus b minus c. 3, 1, 2, 3. And when it's 4, you can write a square plus b square plus c square minus a b c. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus, plus, minus. Sign different maybe. Plus, plus. Also it can be minus. This can be minus. This can be plus. Okay. So the basic conception, when term 1 mono, when term 2 bino, when this is 3 trino, and when this is 4 quadrinomial. This is clear? This is the basic idea. When we will solve the problem, then it will be very okay. We know 24 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and we can easily say a factor of 24 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 2 2 8, and 12, 2 2 3, and 24 itself. And you know 1 is the common factor of every number. Okay. So easily we can find the factors with help of this explanation. Okay. So if it is asked, this is a number 8a square b, and it is asked whether 4ab is a factor of it, then you can easily say yes, this is a factor of this. How? You can write 8, yes, 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 yes. So you have to first expand this 8a square b. Then you can easily find the factors. 4, this and this, 4, a and b. So this is a factor of this. Now you can say a 2a square b. Whether it is a factor of this? Yes. 2 present, a square already present, and b also present. So this is the factor of this. Okay. So this idea will help us for next level to find factors. Okay. What is so check the example we have discussed 8a square b. So if anyone asked what is the coefficient of 8, then you have to find the rest part except this one. So coefficient of 8 a square b. So if we write the algebraic expression, and on the right hand side we write the coefficient. So 8 its coefficient a square b. If we write here in a square, then 8b should be the coefficient of a square. If we write here in b, then what will be the coefficient? Eight a square. Very good. So Mihika, can you say what will be the coefficient of a? Mihika. 8 ab. Okay, there are 2a, so 1a left, and the remaining part 8ab. So this is very interesting, I think, and it's not difficult to find the coefficient. Okay. In question number 1, what does minus x minus 2 represent? There are 4 options. You have to find the correct one. So check a minus b. This is the meaning. It express b is subtracted from a. B is subtracted from a, or a reduced by b. A reduced by b. So this very simple expression we have to remember very carefully. And same idea help us to solve the problem. So check minus x minus 2. Forget this is minus x. You can say a minus 2. Then what you will say about this? Forget this. What will you say? 2 subtracted from a. Very good. And another a reduced a reduced by 2. So now replace a. Then what you will say? Minus x reduced by 2. What will say? Minus x reduced by 2. This is option D. This is correct. And if it was mentioned like this, 2 subtracted, it was not mentioned herein. 2 subtracted from minus x. Question number 2 is very easy, no problem. This is given 3 upon 5 minus this is x square y. So it is asked the coefficient of y. So we know rest part except y. This is, so coefficient of y minus 3 by 5 x square. So option D is correct, no problem. Now send question number 3, send your answer. Now check, it's given minus 3 m cube n cube p. So we have to find coefficient of m square n square. So remove m square n square. Okay. Then what to do? Minus 3. There are m, n and p. M into m square m cube, n into n square n cube, and this is p. So coefficient of this one. So your answer D correct. Now send question number 4 answer. So in question number 4, in option it's given minus 9 into ABC. So coefficient of ABC should have been minus 9, but here is mentioned in only plus 9. So this is incorrect. And B 23 x to the power 4 y 23 xy into x square x cube. So coefficient of x cube should have been 23xy, but it is mentioned only 23y. In option C this is only correct, and also option D is incorrect. Check it properly. Okay. In algebraic expression, say this is written a square b, this is minus a square b. So check this, compare this, forget the numerical part, and also forget the sign. So this may be minus, this may be plus. Okay, no matter. So this is a square b and this is a minus a square b, and this may also be written as, say another term is 3ba square. So these all are like terms. How can you define this? You know, a square b, b a square, both are same. Just arrange. So this can be arranged as a square b, and this also can be arranged b a square. Okay, the matter is same, and its meaning is a square into b, and its meanings b into a square, and you know 2 into 3 and 3 into 2 the same. So you have to, if you arrange these, so this should be 3a square b. Am I right? So these all are like terms. Okay. So check question number 5, option A. In option A, it's mentioned minus 2x square y and 3x y square. Check here x square and only x. So this is not like terms. Now check B. It's given 3m square p comma 3m p square. So this is also incorrect. Why? M square p, m p square. They are not same. These two part not same or not similar. Okay. Now check option C. It's given minus 2 by 3 xy and the second part 2 by 3 x square y square. This is xy and this is x square y square. So this is also not correct, and obviously the option D is correct, but we have to check it also. 8p square q square comma minus q square p square, and you know this and this same. Okay, this can be written as minus half p square q square. So the term of this part same. So these are like terms in algebraic expression. Is it okay? Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 terms. So 6D answer, quadrinomial. You know it, and the shortcut technique 1. Where is your doubt? This is expressions, not calculations. So if this is calculation, then this is there are 2 terms, but this is expression. Expressions, this is quadrinomial. Expressions, this is algebraic expression. Okay, it is not asked to calculate it. What is the result? I know from this and this, if you subtract this, then this is 2m square n square and this is 10mn. So then this is binomial. But at your level, you are the beginner of algebraic learning algebra at the beginning stage. So this is, if this is a advanced level question, advanced level class, so then the matter is different. But at the beginning, this is the beginning of your class. So expression, you can write 2. How many terms are there? Will you say this is one term? 1, 2 plus 2 plus 3, 8, one term? Will you say? No. Expression. How many terms? 4. But it is not asked what is the calculation. From calculation you will find 2m square n square and 8 plus 2 10mn. That's the matter different. That is calculation. But it's asked expressions. It is not asked find the calculation and tell or write the correct option. This is not asked. This is asked expressions. Okay. However, if there is some debate, I will definitely inform you. Okay. Question number 7. In option A, it's given 2x into 3y minus 3y into 4z plus 2x into 4z. So it is asked which is not trinomial. Trinomial means there should be 3 terms. So in option A we can easily find 3 terms, and we know this is the multiplication. So this is term 1, this is multiplication, this is term 2, and this is 3. So option A is correct. Okay. Option B, this is also correct. 2x 3y 4z multiplication, and then minus x square x y square z plus 5x into 2z. And I try to remember, I told in previous question, how can you find this? Check how many symbols are there. Sign. You have to check the sign. In option A, 2 signs. So term 2 plus 1, 3. In option B, there are 2 signs. First minus, then plus. So it's term 3. And option C, check. There is only 1 plus sign. Sign means plus and minus, not multiplication sign or division sign. So there is 1 sign. So term 2. 3, 3, 2. And in option D, this is also there is 2 sign, minus, minus. So 2 plus 1, 3. It will help you very fast to calculate how many terms are there. Okay. So the answer should be C. C is not trinomial. C, yes, option C is binomial. If you count this sign trick, then you will find easily and very fast. Am I right? Just check the sign plus and minus. Don't count sign multiplication and division sign. Okay. Now check question 8.